Nearly 6 million vaccines have been administered in Georgia, but we continue to be deeply impacted by the virus. 61 more Georgians lost their lives to COVID since yesterday. Now, that is double our current weekly average. Georgia's peak for COVID-related deaths was back on February 12th with 181. The number of COVID cases also remains steady. Today, we have 883 new cases in Georgia. Right now, our test positivity rate is slightly less than 5%. The World Health Organization recommends 5 or lower for reopening. COVID hospitalizations remain steady as well. Today, we have more than 1,100 active patients. You can see a full breakdown of trends in cases in your area on 11alive.com.